All right, I have a very quick update for you today, so I won't keep you long. And I hope you all had a great long weekend. And now that we're back, the market is loving it. It is bouncing off of support, and we're looking at the triple Qs first, which were up 2.35% today. So a very bullish day. And I was talking about last week how you shouldn't be focusing on short trades here. It was better to be looking for long trades. So that is paying off very handsomely off of this support at 506. And I think this market is very simple right now. So I'm going to break it down for you, and I'm going to show you exactly what I would do here. And for starters, hopefully you already got some long positions that you're already in profit on so that you have very low risk on those. And now you really just want to stay long as we can hold above 506. The reason for that is if we can't break down below 506, we already have our higher low in, and just like I depicted here with the arrow, we are going higher into the 530s and 540s. That is the brand new all-time high, and that would 100% complete a V-shaped recovery from the previous all-time high that we had back in the middle of February. So this is more than likely what is going to happen. However, you could simply wait now if you're not already long until we can break these highs. And then as you can see from the arrow, once we break above about 522, we easily go to 533 and then higher. So above 522, that is a breakout for the bulls. That is going to send us to higher prices, and that is at least $11 higher. And if we can't break above 522, and let's just say we start rejecting, we are either coming down to 511 or a retest of 506. And if we can't hold above 506, that is where I am going to personally get risk off, because then I'll be looking for prices all the way down into the 490s. So I think it's as simple as stay bullish above 506 or wait and get bullish above 522. If you didn't already get the low risk entry at 506 support, then you're looking for the bull breakout above 522. So what I would do here is just treat this as a trading range, trade between 506 and 522. The bull breakout is above 522 and the bear breakdown is below 506. And then anything in between within that range is simply just neutral range trading. If you don't know what range trading is, it just means you're selling at resistance and buying near support, and that means the market is just going to ping pong within a range, and that is a possibility here. We could just sort of go nowhere and just chop around within the range, which means range traders will do very well here. Outside above 522, we break the range, and down below 506, we break the range, with the bears taking over below 506 and the bulls remaining in control above 522. So this is what I would watch for here unless we can't get the breakout, and I do think you'll do very well if you just keep it that simple and then only let the price tell you where we are going from here. No bias, no opinions, and definitely don't listen to other people's guesses who have absolutely been getting this market wrong day after day and week after week. This market is whipsawing a lot of people right now. But you know who's not getting whipsawed? We are not getting whipsawed, because as of today, we are now up over 18.2%, absolutely blowing the market out of the water. And just the last month alone, we are up nearly 10% just in this trading month. And if you had the members only video, you would know why that is, because the market did exactly what we were expecting it to do, which obviously was that face melting V-shaped recovery. So year to date, we are up over 18%, absolutely crushing this market, which is barely up single digits. And we will continue to crush this market. So if you want to come crush this market, this is my service TSC Trade Alerts, where you get all of my buy and sell alerts. And I only trade the TQQQ and the SQQQ. So it's a very simple system to follow, and we are still very cash heavy. So if you've been thinking about joining or you need help absolutely crushing this market, now would be a great time to become a member, and you can find out how to join TSC Trade Alerts by clicking on the link in the description or the comment section. All right, so next up on SPY, it is going to be very similar as the triple Qs. Right now, all we have to do is just stay bullish above this level right here at 576, and above 576, we are more than likely heading higher to that brand new all-time high above 600. Now, if we can't hold above 576, then we are looking for a push lower back down into the 550s, or at a very minimum, at least a push down towards 568. So stay bull and SPY above 576. Do not make it any more complicated than it needs to be. And if we do get any pullbacks without going below 576, that would more likely take us down towards 582. And then very quickly, I want to show you Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is also in a very nice range here between 107 and about 112. If we break down below 107, it is more than likely going to be a very quick breakdown to send us back down towards 102,000. And if we break out above 112,000, then we are going to that brand new all-time high price target that I've had there for a while now at 118,000. So to make this very simple, above 112, we're looking for 118. And then if we break down below 107, we will be looking for a breakdown back to 102. So watch Bitcoin. I love this as an indicator here, even if you're not trading it. So thank you for watching, everybody. Now go crush this market.